Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here in this video we want to talk about one of the slides of the presentation in AutoCon4. Here in this slide we want to talk about mapping workflows to role, status, and kind. Imagine you have a network with hundreds or even thousands of devices from multiple vendors: Cisco, Juniper, Arista. You want to run a simple maintenance action like rebooting devices in the maintenance window. Do you create 3 different playbooks? Obviously no, or one intelligent workflow. This is where the NetDevOps mindset becomes real, mapping workloads to role, status, and kind. First of all, why role, status, and kind matter? In modern automation, we don't execute tasks device by device. We design workflows that operate at the service layer. Every device belongs to a role, has a status, and represents a specific kind of network element. Role defines the function, for example, spine, leaf, border gateway, firewall, or edge router. Status describes the operational life cycle, for example, active, provisioning, maintenance, decommissioned. And finally, kind controls the low-level implementation. Junos, EOS, NXOS, FortiOS. These 3 attributes allow us to write a single playbook that can run intelligently across heterogeneous infrastructure. Let's look at the example. We are creating a playbook to reboot devices, but only those currently under a status that is maintenance. This playbook targets a host group called status_maintenance. Where did that group come from? Not from the playbook. It usually comes from your source of truth, maybe NetBox or any inventory system. Maps devices into groups based on metadata. We don't need 10 different playbooks for each vendor. Instead, we let actions be controlled by the kind, using simple conditionals like when platform is EOS. So, there is a question, why this design is powerful? Here's the key benefits. Your operational teams think in terms of roles and statuses, not vendors. When the maintenance window begins, you don't ask which Juniper routers need rebooting. You ask which devices are under maintenance right now. Then the playbook runs logic based on the kind, for example, the vendor-specific implementation. This is how NetDevOps eliminates snowflake operations and ensures consistency. And in this part, we want to talk about source of truth integration. In a real production environment, the grouping status_maintenance isn't a manual group. It's dynamically generated by, for example, NetBox using fields like status is maintenance, role is spine, platform is Junos, and tags is datacenter-EU1. This data drives automation. For example, you will open the NetBox API, query devices where status is maintenance, and your orchestration layer will automatically target the right nodes. Now imagine this scaled out. Junos devices reboot using request system reboot. EOS devices use reload now. Cisco IOS XE uses reload first. FortiGate uses a different API call, and yet the workflow stays the same. You write one playbook, one maintenance workflow. That's the real value of mapping to role, status, and kind. This approach is at the heart of modern NetDevOps. Metadata defines the target, the kind defines the implementation, and this separation is how teams scale without losing control. In the next video, we will explore how to dynamically generate inventories from NetBox and feed them into, for example, AWX or Nornir. Thanks a lot for watching me. If you think this video is helpful and useful for you in your network automation and NetDevOps teams, please like, share, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel.